In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. We'll walk through a simple, focused flow to get a blog set up using Webflow's CMS. By the end, you'll have the core structure ready to power dynamic blog content on your site. We'll start from a basic Google search, move into your Webflow project, open the CMS, create a collection, and select the blog posts template, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Begin by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Webflow and press Enter. Look for the official result from webflow.com and click through. If you aren't already signed in, you may be prompted to log into your account before you can access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see your list of projects. If you manage several projects or workspaces, take a second to confirm you're looking at the correct site so the changes you make land exactly where you expect. From your Webflow dashboard, locate the site you want to work on and click View Site. This opens the designer for that specific project. Think of the designer as your all-in-one canvas. It's where you structure your pages, manage your styles, and connect your content. If View Site opens a preview instead, look for an option to enter the designer from the same tile or toolbar. Give the interface a moment to load. Larger projects can take a bit longer, and that's normal. Inside the designer, look to the left-hand toolbar for the CMS icon and click it. The CMS panel is where all of your content types live. If you don't immediately see CMS, the panel might be collapsed. Hover or expand it to reveal the options. The CMS is designed to separate content from layout, which makes it much easier to manage blogs, portfolios, events, and more without constantly editing page structures. Next, choose Create a Collection. A collection is a blueprint for a type of content, defining the fields every item will have. When prompted, select the Blog Posts option to build a custom Webflow CMS blog. This template gives you a solid starting point with fields like title, slug, main image, summary, rich text for the body, author, and a publish date. You can keep the defaults now and customize field names later as your needs evolve. Using the blog posts template saves time and ensures you're following a proven structure that works well with Webflow's dynamic lists and templates. And that's it for this setup. You've reached the point where your blog collection exists and is ready for content and design binding. In future steps, you can style your blog layouts, connect fields to elements, and start publishing.